Ready to turn Temu's trending products into TikTok Shop profits? First, identify high-demand items on Temu by checking ratings and order volume. Next, create a TikTok Shop account. You'll need business information. Make sure your niche aligns with Temu's product offerings. Before you list anything, order samples to ensure quality. Once satisfied, use high-quality photos and videos. Film short product showcases. Highlight key features and benefits in a way that's authentic to TikTok trends. TikTok loves authenticity. Jump on trending sounds. Create how-to videos, unboxings, or even funny skits featuring your Temu products. Consider partnering with micro-influencers for wider reach. Live shopping is huge. Schedule regular live streams showcasing your products, answering questions, and offering exclusive deals. This is a great way to engage with your audience in real time and drive immediate sales. Use TikTok Shop's tools to manage inventory and process orders efficiently. Respond quickly to customer inquiries. Positive reviews are crucial. Fast shipping and good customer service are your best friends. Analyze your TikTok Shop data. See what's selling and what's not. Adapt your strategy. Invest in top performers and continue sourcing popular products from Temu.